Imagine this. You're lying on the couch scrolling through your phone, when suddenly your cat jumps up, eyes locked on something invisible to you. Their ears twitch, tail fluffs up, and they position themselves right in front of you. It's almost like they're shielding you from an unseen danger. Could your cat actually be protecting you? Well, if you've ever wondered whether your feline friend is more than just an adorable ball of fur, you're in for a surprise. Today, we're uncovering 8 telltale signs that your cat is actually your personal buddy. And trust me, you might be overlooking some of these. Let's dive in. Sign 1. Your cat always sits between you and the door. Ever noticed how your cat strategically places themselves between you and the entrance of a room? This isn't just a coincidence. Cats are naturally territorial, and by positioning themselves in this way, they're actually acting as your personal guardian, keeping an eye out for any potential threats. It's the feline equivalent of standing watch. If your cat does this often, they might be subconsciously taking on the role of your silent protector. Sign 2. They follow you everywhere. You go to the kitchen, your cat follows. Bathroom, yep, they're right there. Bedroom, they're already on your bed before you are. While some might say it's just curiosity or clinginess, there's a deeper reason behind this behavior. In the wild, big cats stick together for safety, and your house cat sees you as part of their pride. If they follow you from room to room, they're making sure you're safe at all times. It's their way of saying, "I've got your back." Sign 3. Your cat stares at strangers, and maybe even growls. Ever had a friend or delivery person walk in, only to find your cat staring them down like they just entered enemy territory? Some cats will even growl or hiss at people they don't trust. This isn't just a random reaction. It's an instinctual way of assessing threats. If your cat is acting like a mini security guard around new people, they might be protecting you from potential danger. Sign 4. They sleep near your head or feet. Cats are extremely particular about where they sleep. And if your feline insists on snoozing close to your head or feet, it's not just about comfort. In the wild, sleeping next to their pack ensures safety. By curling up near you, they're keeping an ear out for danger and making sure you're safe while you sleep. A cat that guards you at night? That's a real-life guardian angel right there. Sign 5. Your cat patrols the house. Ever noticed your cat wandering around the house, checking different rooms, looking at the furniture, or scanning the windows? This behavior isn't just random exploration. It's their version of a security sweep. They're making sure everything is in order, just like a watchful guard making their rounds. If your cat does this regularly, they might be keeping an eye out for anything unusual, just for you. Sign 6. They react strongly to unfamiliar noises or smells. A sudden loud noise outside, your cat's ears perk up. A strange smell wafting in through the window. Their nose twitches, and they go into investigation. Cats have an incredibly sharp sense of hearing and smell, and when they react like this, they're not just being nosy, they're alerting you to potential dangers. It's their way of saying, something's off. Stay alert. Sign 7. Your cat comforts you when you're stressed or unwell. Cats have an incredible ability to sense emotions. If you're feeling anxious, sad, or even physically unwell, have you ever noticed your cat suddenly becoming extra affectionate? They might rub against you, purr louder than usual, or simply sit quietly by your side. Purring has even been shown to have healing properties, with vibrations that can promote relaxation and reduce stress. So, if your cat is always there for you during tough times, it's because they care, and they're trying to protect your emotional and physical well-being. Sign 8. They stand their ground when you're in danger. Believe it or not, cats have been known to defend their owners against real threats. There are countless stories of cats attacking intruders, scaring off dogs, or even alerting their owners to dangers like gas leaks or fires. If your cat has ever suddenly stood their ground, fluffed up, or even bared their claws in a protective stance, they're ready to defend you, no matter what. So, does your cat show any of these signs? If so, congratulations. You have a fiercely loyal, pint-sized protector watching over you. While we often think of dogs as the ultimate guardians, cats have their own unique and stealthy way of looking out for their humans. So the next time your cat follows you around, sits between you and the door, or stares down a stranger, remember they're not just being weird, but being your protector. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and more fascinating animal insights. And hey, let us know in the comments, has your cat ever done something super protective? We'd love to hear your stories.